hate the way you sound when you're recording music? Me too. I really hate this voice. It's really just not my style. So here's how I change that in FL Studio. Let's open up FL Studio. Okay, now we've opened FL Studio. What you want to do is literally just, set up your mic, whatever, mine's Focusrite, blah blah blah. And there's one particular effect. You normally put your pitching effects before any other effects, like your auto tune, or like say you want like a pitch shifter, then those normally go first. So plugins, and what I use is a little plugin called Little Alter Boy. It's from the Sound Toys bundle, I think so, yeah. And all you do is literally pitch it up by 12. And then once you have that, literally just adjust it to however you like, and that is basically it. You'll sound like this if you're just speaking like normally, but if you like kind of just do it a little bit more breathy and more relaxed, it sounds a lot more feminine. So that's how I get my voice to sound like how I like it. So yeah, that's actually it. Put some auto-tune on there and whatever, and then, route it to like the effects bus or whatever, and you have pretty much your setup ready to go. Let me know if this was helpful or like actually interesting to you down in the comments. Also, let me know if maybe I should record a song on live stream, because I'd be down for that. I can record fuck tons of music. So yeah, let me know. And maybe I'll record on stream like a song, or just, maybe influenced by the viewers. So like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.